going to say our first sound, our middle sound, and ending sound. So first, middle, and ending sound. Then we're going to stretch out our word real slowly and say it fast. Are you ready? It fit. Fit. What word? Fit. It kit. Kit. What word? Kit. It lit. Lit. What word? Lit. It pit. Pit. What word? Pit. It hit. Hit. What word? Hit. I'm looking for the word hit. Find the word hit for me. Hit. I'm looking for the word pit. Pit. See if you can find the word pit for me. Pit. It fit. It hit. It kit. It lit. It pit. Nice job with your reading today.